This is a Togo Challenge disc. This is a digital balance platform. So you will have to use a battery. So this is the battery. Okay. And then to insert, you have to insert the battery like this inside. So this is the sensor. And then this sensor, you will have to attach it here. This one. Okay. So this is the red part. This is where you're going to do the balancing. So it should be placed like this one. So insert the battery like that and then insert it here. See this one? This line should go this here. So I'm gonna connect it. Okay. Now it's all connected. See this? Okay, now it's connected inside. Okay, and then for this to work, you have to have the to download the software. So you can download the software. This is the name of the software, MFT Body Teamwork. Okay, so you have to download this one, and then you can download it either on the phone, laptop, or tablet. So in this case, I'm going to use my laptop, so it will be bigger. So the orientation of this one, it should be like this, pointing towards that one. So Togo should be written like that one. Then put it down. Okay, and then you allow that one to search. So start. Once it's there, it will detect. You press start, then it's gonna search. Okay, so now the instruction will be here. Step off the disc and do not touch it while it is when the calibration is in progress. So press start when you are ready. Press start. Okay, now it's already connected here. So here, the information, the language. This one, you can add different users. Here, you can use it one to, again, calibrate it. What we did, we calibrated it already when we started. Here, you will get the information, the rationale for using the digital balance disc sa the Togo Challenge disc. So, what you're gonna expect, you will have more performance, you will have healthy back and joints, and more concentration. Then here, this is the settings. So you have the option to use with sound effects or without sound effects. Okay, so, and then this is to exit the program. So first, the balance. Here, the balance is a warm up and to test your balance. So once you click on this one, here you will see the 3 different levels. So you'll have level 1, which is the easiest. So here you see the circle is bigger. Level 2, the circle, the blue circle, it's getting smaller. And level 3, it's more small now. So you can ask your patient to stand. If the patient is wearing a shoes, you can ask the patient to wear shoes and use the shoes that he is always wearing. Okay? Ask the patient to stand and then make the circle in the middle. Control the circle. Yeah, okay. So like that. So here, you're just testing the balance of the patient. Okay, now level 1, level 2, smaller. Make sure it's inside. And then, go to level 3. So now the circle is smaller. So this is just a warm-up. Okay? So, you hear the sound. Okay, now we'll go for self-check. Self-check so that you will have an assessment to train the patient. So you have the option to train both legs, alternate legs. Here, self-check. This one again will give you the information, what this is about, and this is how to interpret your results. So the good balance should be from 1 to 3.2. And the laterality will let you know if the patient is using more on the left or on the right side. So if you know that one, then you will be able to train the patient. For example, patient has more laterality on the right side. So you can train the patient more on the left side. So there will be balance of usage of both the left and the right. So again, you will see that information once you click this one. So to start, you could select both legs or alternate. So for this one, we'll just start with the both legs. Okay, so here, the instruction is already mentioned here. So step, try to keep the ball in the center as possible. Keep the ball in the center as possible. Are you all set? Ready? Steady? Go. Okay, so now we're conducting the test. You ask the patient to maintain the ball on the center. Okay, so after the self-check here, you will have the results. So for that, the patient has a balance of 4.37. So that means the balance falls below the standard. So that's why the recommended level for training is level 1. So the patient will have to start in level 1. So you can print the PDF of this one. So here, yeah, so you will have the results. Can but make sure that when you do the PDF, it's supported in your laptop or on your tablet. Okay, so you can take that and then you can save that. Then we'll go back. Okay, so go back. Here's the PDF. Okay, now we're done with the self-check, which is the assessment. Now we'll go to the training. Patient was asked to start with level 1. So again, we go to training. You can choose again both legs, alternate right and left. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to do both legs. Okay, so both leg, and then here you will have different level 1 to 5, from easy to the hardest. When we did the assessment, the patient was asked to start his training in level 1, so which is the easiest. So we'll start with level 1. Okay, ask the patients to stand. Yeah, like that. Okay, move the ball into the target area. You all set? Ready? Go. Okay, see? Here, there's a method. There are different levels of test. So the first one, the patient will be asked to move sideways from right to left. So, move, maintain here. Okay, maintain here in the circle and then move here. Okay, so again, pause. Now, the next level of test will be top to bottom. So there's a method of training. Okay, up. Now it's forward and backwards, top to bottom. And forward. Okay, then down, down, then up. Okay, then pause. So, the good thing with this one, there is a method of training. You just don't ask the patient to stand. So, here, just keep the ball in the center. Pause. You don't just ask the patients to stand. The patient will have a method, different levels of training. Okay, now we will have horizontal movement. So, this one will be the tracking of the movement from right, left. So, the patient will have to move with this big circle. This is the patient's balance, so you have to move with this one. So move, go here, and then here, yeah, go, very good. Oh, very good.
Very good.
And here, yeah, very good, yeah. Slowly, slowly. Okay, stop.
4,
Pause.
5.
Now vertical, it's up and down. Okay, so move with this one. Down. Okay, so next, this one,
7.
yeah, pause, relax, balance. Okay, balance. Yeah, just balance in the middle. Now you're better in the center.
In middle.
Yeah,
Okay.
keep the red ball inside this blue. You are the red ball. You have to maintain yourself inside that blue ball. Okay.
Okay, inside
Now
that,
it's rotation. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
This one, okay.
Okay. Then balance again. Then counterclockwise. If the patient will have balance issues initially, you can ask the patient to, with 2 finger, you can hold his, just 2 finger. Okay, yeah, like that. Yeah. Initially, you can use 2 fingers here. For initial training, you can ask that
I didn't
one.
finish.
And then
Okay.
balance. Okay, so now you have already completed the test. So here, the static balance, this is the score, and then the rest of the dynamic balance. However, this one, you cannot make a PDF. So if you want to get a record, just take a photo of this one for your recording. Okay, then next, see if we go to level 5, we've done level 1. So just to show you the difference with level 1 and level 5, level 5 is the hardest. You will see that there will be more tests, and this circle will be smaller. See, it's smaller, and you have now 14 tests. A while ago, it was lesser tests. So that's why you have the assessment, the self-check, so that you can gauge on what level, what is the current level, balance level of the patient. Okay, and then, so aside from training, so you have the self-check, this is the assessment, and then this one is the training. And then now we have games to make it more entertaining for the patient. So again, you can choose both right or left leg. So again, we'll choose with both. So ping pong. So ping pong, yeah, as the patient, the feet should be shoulder width upward. Shoulder, okay, like that. Okay, then here, the movement here is up and down, top to bottom. So they have to hit this one. Hit the ball. As they hit the ball, then the score will increase. Down. Up, up. Hit the ball. Yeah, too good. See, then your score will increase. Good. Okay? So that's one game. Another game would be the cross. So this game is sideways, moving sideways. So you have to move sideways to make the ball fall down. So as the ball falls down, then your score will increase. Go here. Okay, go here, go here. Okay, so this one is movement sideways. Next, we have the butterfly. So this is what is engaging for children. They have to catch the butterfly with the net. Okay, so you catch the butterfly.
Okay.
Okay, so as you catch a butterfly, then you will see that the score will increase. Okay. So this one is all planes of motion. Okay. Next would be the soccer. So here you are the goalie, so you have to catch the ball. Set. Yeah. Yeah, moving because you have to catch the ball. Catch the ball. Oh, here, block. Good.
Good.
Okay, catch the ball.
Oh.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Next.
Yeah.
Oh,
One.
so you only have 3 tries. You like this game?
No, no. This one.
Okay, then now we'll have, this is ski. So make sure you will not hit the obstacle. So you have to ski. Move sideways.
No, no, this one.
Yeah, moving, but do not hit. Yep. Yeah, like that. Don't hit it. It will boing. It will go like that.
Yeah.
Good. Boing. Okay, then the last game would be the car race. So here, you will have to navigate the car through the track. Okay, so this is the way.
Oh,
So you have, this is you, the car.
Okay.
So
Straight
make the
going?
car, yes. Then go this way. This way. Yeah, there. Then forward. Oh. Yeah. So this is like a track, race track. So go forward. Forward. Okay. So this one is the hardest, I think. Okay, so yeah, so those are the games. So again,
Finish?
you will have balance, self-check, training, and games. Then to log out of this one, you have just to go like that. Then you will be logged out. So when you make the patient stand, make sure that the feet will be shoulder and width apart. And then this one, Togo, it should be facing the patient. That's it.